how to set up the phone to forward calls when it is busy, unanswered, or unreachable on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by tapping on the home button at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, open up the phone application. Next, tap on the More button. Then in here, tap on Settings. In the call settings page, we scroll down and then tap on Supplementary Services. Now give it a few seconds for the information to load up on the device from the server. After that, tap on Call Forwarding. Then tap on Forward when busy. In here, replace your voicemail with your phone number or the number that you want to use to forward the call to. Then tap on Turn On, or you can tap on the contact icon, and from the contact list, you can select a number. And then tap on Turn On. Wait for a few seconds for the settings to apply. Okay, now you can see that it's a forward calls to that number. You can do the same for forward when unanswered. So set in a phone number. So tap on a contact and then select who you want to forward the call to when it is not answered. So here I can select a number and then tap on Turn On. And again, you can do the same for forward when unreachable. And that's it. After, you can tap on the back key or tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.